Today we are showing how to operate this CNC grooving machine. First, we need to connect 3-phase power. Here, 3-phase wire. And this side, we need to connect the machine cabinet side. Here. And now we need to connect the air. And here. These tools we will send together with the machine. It's very easy. And then we need to connect this foot pedal. OK， 好，然后加油。Open the cover and add the hydraulic oil here, about 32 liters. We will also give this small piece to you. After starting the machine, we need to make sure the motor runs like this arrow, clockwise. If it's not, you need to change the wire connection. Like here side, change the middle to the side line to the middle. So it will change to clockwise. Okay, after you make sure this is okay, and you can start the machine. Okay. Now we open the controller.中文的英文的73英文的好了，英文的往那啥，还是个字片的嘛的。
现在还拍所以我今年一开始来的补贴，原来说是觉得比较大，那么英文的就结果。
对。Now this is the Chinese way. Need to change it to English. This one. 8888 here. English. Menu. This is a pump. What are you trying to do?
你这里我给他叫过了吗？
啊，叫过来，但是我那不修掉，我那是这点。哦，叫过来了。你知道这个 home 啊？Please note this home very important after you start the machine. Must every time start the machine need to go home first. 然后呢？
然后人不会的话。
不是有爱嘛爱女嘛的吗？对啊。Okay, program. And we put the plate. How to put the plate? 多少啊
1.4。
？This is 1.4 millimeter thickness. So here we need to put 1.4 millimeter. The length, what? Length is like for example 5 or 600. When you put the plate, it should be, you see, here has a length. It's about 600. Okay, we put 600 here. 是的，有关。
就是还是需要用的切出来。
Here's a program. This is about the pitch. Pitch means the distance between the slot. Depth. For example, we need to put the depth 0.4. 0.4. 0.4. So it will be like this after bending. After bending, the loop means every pitch we put 1. If you want 2 or 3, you can put 2 or 3. And here you can see positive or negative. It means different side. For example, we call this side is a positive, then another side is a negative. Okay. Okay, now we put the plate. 好，你把这个把它放出来，放下来了。Cannot be like this. 然后呢 ？Should it be the two sides? 把它弄平了。This side need to be 6多少米平吗
6平的。6个6个米的。
Okay. Here this side must be parallelism with the machine. And then you press this one, it will clamp. You press this one, it will clamp the plate. 好，然后呢 ？Compare. Speed you can adjust here. 马上拿这个 Here. Speed. 好。好。You can see here you can adjust the speed. 好。And start. So it will start working. 1, 2, 3. 好，从这边开始训练的，开的 OK。OK. The first is 30. Second is 20. Third is 多少50 80. You can see. First one we now let's go to the running data. The first one we said here is 30 and 50 and 80. Of course it starts from this side. So the first is 80, then 50. 80 means from here to here it's 80. 50 means from here to here it's 50, and from here to here it's 30. And then we go to the program. You can see we set 30, 20, 30. 30, 20, 30.我们再弄一个，好吧？弄一个长一点的，宽一点的For example, 那你抱这边也可以，抱这边也可以，反过来。Okay, now for example, we use this side. And press it so it clamp. 然后我告诉你怎么上，你第一刀你设个20，设个2刀。Program 2. For example, first is 2, loop is 2.
和大家有个
Here also change to the correct. Second is for example 30, 这个是 30, sorry 30, and 1 for example 循环一次。好，可以了。For example, the first is 20, second is also 20, 是这种的。Third is here, is here. Okay. So the 20 pitch it will run in 2 times because here we put 2. Compare and cooling and start. You can see the first is 20, second is 20, but to here it's 40, and the third one is 30, and to here it's 20, 20, 30, so it's 70. So you can see 20, 40, 70. 还是从这都开始回来的。So in here the first one is here. You can see 70, 40, 20. Okay, so you must know how much is slot and what's the distance between you need to do, and then you 到编程界面。Then you go to this page to do the program. This program side is from here, from this side for the programming. But when doing the grooving, it starts from here. But it doesn't matter for your programming. You just follow this one.